up this morning and I took a look around at all that I've got. These days I've been looking in the mirror and wondering if that's me looking back or not. I'm still the apple of my mama's eye. I'm my daddy's worst fears realized. Here lately all this real estate don't seem all that real to me sometimes. Back out on that road again, turn this beast into the wind. There are those that break and bend, I'm the other kind. Now my old buddy, what's his name, says, man, what the hell you thinking about? Fool, you got two of everything, but you hang your head just like you were down and out. Now I'm sure not suffering from a lack of love. There's plenty more where that came from. I'll leave it up to me to say something wrong, to hurt someone before I'm done. I'm back out on that road again, turn this beast into the wind. There are those that break and bend, I'm the other kind. I'm the other kind. See, it used to be I was really free. I didn't need no gasoline to run. Before you could say Jack Kerouac, you'd turn your back and I'd be gone. Yeah, but nowadays I got me two good wheels, and I seek refuge in aluminum and steel. It takes me out there for just a little while, and the years fall away with every mile. Back out on that road again, turn this beast into the wind.